So I was low on spanners. I was missing so many numbers. I had like a list and I went to a car boot sale. I thought, stuff it, I'm not spending £6-7 on like a spanner or like this. So I went to a car boot and I think I picked up, well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12 and Mario Brothers wrench. I think I paid like £15 for everything. For the ones that I was missing. Because I've already got like sets. Like I've got a set of these. But as with sets do, some of them aren't complete. Like they'll miss like 18s out. And that one there misses 18 out. And you need them quite a lot in BMWs. You need 2 18s actually. So I made sure I got a couple of 18s, a couple of 22s and 21s, big old 29s, a few other little bits and pieces. But I went a bit crazy actually. I'll show you the Mario Brothers one. Obviously I took it apart to try and, don't know if it's going to show up very well on the, but look at the colouring. So what I went with, whatever I had lying around, and why not? Why not? I went for the Fiesta Silver Blue, which I bought obviously too much of it. Having said that, I've probably only got a can left when I repaired the bonnet on that one. And then I've gone over it with the Motorhome Pearlescent and then clear coated the rattle canned with some cheap stuff as well. That is only 1k stuff, so I ain't holding my breath. But they look better when they're hung up. They're still going to get chucked around the floor and get chips in anyway, so I don't really care too much, but they were rusty and roachy, so now they're not. So wait for them to properly dry. They're still a little bit sticky, to be honest. That one's stuck. No, that one's actually stuck so much I probably put too much on there. But yeah, let's just put these all away. So I'm gradually building it up. I've got all my like, well, panel stuff, obviously detailing stuff, this detailing stuff as well, mask. This needs to get out of here. If anyone wants a glove box for an E90, E91, E92, hit me up, you can have it. I'm not paying for the shipping, but I'm in Spain. If you're close or you want to pay shipping, have it. Under compartment for the passenger seat, haven't bothered putting it in. And a radio that needs the pixels fixing, because it can be done, but if you want it, another thing, have it for free, I don't care. Yeah, building up, obviously with my Makita and tools and stuff like that. All my paint, spray paints, primers. This is just beer stuff. And there's my 2 Guinness kegs. Got one in the fridge, ready to drink. More bottles here to go in the fridge once they're drunk. And obviously the rest of my tools, and I've got my drawer down here which has got all my useful little bits and pieces. I've got my OBD readers and stuff like that, and then down here I've got more rags, baby wipes, which clean everything. You put it on your child, which is mental. Filming stuff. And at the bottom I've got all my tubs for my spray guns. So yeah, that's all I need. I'd like more space and have more kit, but we're getting there. Wouldn't want to be doing that the way it smells in here at the minute with all this fumes, but I'm going to try and do a few more videos in widescreen and see how we go. My shorts, keeping up to date on my shorts all the time, just bang shorts out every time I've got little jobs to do, or even big jobs to do, follows on the shorts. But when it comes to longer videos, I'm going to start to try and do longer videos. It's not something I normally like to do. It's normally just a video diary for me, but some of these things need to be put into widescreen, longer to little chats, and always up for comments and helping us out. So here's my little pad, and we'll in the next one. Adios.